Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll be showing you about the LeoVegas app, what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. LeoVegas is an award-winning online casino and sports betting app. It is known for its smooth mobile experience and huge selection of games from slots and live dealer tables to poker, blackjack and roulette. Besides casino, it also offers sports betting where you can place wagers on football, basketball, cricket, tennis and many more. It is available on iOS and Android, but depending on your country, availability may vary. So make sure it's legal to use where you live. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. Next, tap sign up. You'll need to enter details like your name, email, date of birth, phone number and create a password. In most reasons, you will also need to verify your identity with an ID before you can withdraw winnings. Once registered, you can make your first deposit. Go to the cashier or deposit section. Choose a payment method like debit card, e-wallet or bank transfer and then enter the amount. It often offers welcome bonuses or free spins, so check the promotions tab before confirming. The app is divided into three sections: casino, live casino and sports. Right here you can see the three sections. Then in casino you can play hundreds of slots, jackpots and table games. In live casino, real dealers streaming in HD where you can play roulette, blackjack, baccarat and many more. On sports tab, you can place bets on live and upcoming matches across multiple sports. And on promotion tab, see all the latest offers. You can also use the search bar to find quickly your favorite games right from here, from the search bar. Then to play a slot, just tap the game, set your bet amount and then hit spin. For sports betting, choose the sport, pick a match, select your odds and add it to your bet slip. Enter your stake and tap place bet to confirm. Your bet history can be checked anytime under my bet section. When you are ready to cash out, head to withdraw in the cashier, choose your method and enter the amount. Withdrawals usually go back to the same payment method you used to deposit. Then in settings, you can also manage responsible gaming tools like deposit limits, loss limits or self-exclusion to keep your play safe and fun. And that is all about the LeoVegas app. I hope you guys like this video, like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.